Frequency and operation command setting in Delta vfd drive. Now the drive is in keypad mode. You can run the drive by run button and change frequency by keypad up and down button. This potentiometer is right now inactive but connected in terminal. For frequency command, you can set parameter to run externally. Right now the drive is in keypad mode. In parameter 2-00, this parameter is for frequency command. The present situation and the frequency reference is possible to change by keypad up and down button, and you can save accordingly. But to control externally by or terminal run command or frequency command, terminal frequency command, you can set parameter 2-00, set here 1 to control by a potentiometer. That means 0 to 10 volt connection in ABI terminal. For activate potentiometer, set here 1. So now frequency sources is potentiometer 0 to 10 volt reference. By this potentiometer you can change frequency lower to higher limit or maximum frequency. Lower to maximum frequency, you can increase or decrease frequency, same as motor speed by a potentiometer. Now the drive is in keypad operation and frequency mode by terminal potentiometer. If you set 2, it will be current reference for frequency. So we set here 1 for potentiometer. Now the drive is possible to run by run button. We want to set externally run command. Frequency can change by potentiometer where we set it just few seconds ago. So now we change operation command from keypad to terminal. So enter into the parameter 2-01. Here 0 means activate keypad run command. We want to run this drive by terminal switch, so set here 2. Now inverter not possible to run by keypad run button. This is not run. It's possible to run by external switch. We on the switch and inverter going to run. So this is the way to run the drive from externally. In Delta inverter you can set external and internal parameter. This is the way to changing run command and reference command parameter. We remove the up cover to checking a run. The drive is run from 24 volt to forward button and frequency is controlled by a potentiometer from 10 to 30 Hz because of we set here upper limit is 30 Hz. That's why maximum frequency here 30. Potentiometer connected in terminal and run command from 24 volt to forward button. It's in source mode for operation. So this is the way to changing run and reference parameter.